Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 4 of this school building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add doors and we also put room tags so that we can determine the function of the room. So in this video, we're going to continue working on this. What I want to do is I want to add furnitures on the rooms and also some other blocks. So what I have here are some of the families that we're gonna add here. And as you can see, we have basketball court, computer lab, dry erase boards, those kind of stuff. This will be included. I'm gonna put a link on the part 1 of this video, and you'll be able to download all of this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this basketball court. So basically just drag and drop this. It will be loaded here. And as you can see, you can just add it similar to what I'm doing. And then click spacebar in order to change orientation. So somewhere there. So this one, we're good with this. Um, and then let's add more for the computer lab. So this is, we can put this one under resources. So as you can see, we have resources right here. So we can put it on this side and the other side, and also here as well. And to make this one faster, we could copy or select both of them, hold Control button, and then type in CO or this icon, and we could just add more. And if you want, you could check this multiple so that you could do it multiple times. So let's do it again. And for this one, let me select this, CO, make sure multiple is checked, and then add it again. Something like that. And we could just arrange or change the dimension of this and just use arrow key so that you can change it by little, and we could have a proper spacing. This one as well, I'm just gonna copy something like that. And we could actually add this one as well. So if I select this, so I'm gonna select it now. I'm gonna select this. Oh, keeps on. And type in CS. As you can see, I could grab it like that, and I could add it in the library as well. And what I could do is actually I can move it all the way to the wall, and then CS so that I could put multiple. And then here, I'm just gonna keep on selecting each one, holding on control button, and then clicking on copy so that I could copy all of them all together. And then add it one more here. And then let's add more blocks. Let's add this one later on. Hexagonal desk. This is basically for JK and JS. So we could add it like this. So we could just move it around the area, something like that. Most of the time, it's spaced differently. And then, and usually the teacher moves around the desk and teach the kids. Okay. And then let's add it again, CS, and then let's add it like this. So this one is really depends on the teachers. And we have JS here as well. And here. So I'm just putting it randomly. And what we still have, we have library desk. So basically this is for library. We could add it. I'm gonna move it like this. Basically the library study. So we could add it like this. See, oh, I'm gonna copy this and move it like this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click the copy multiple and then actually copy both of this CO, and then I'm gonna grab it from here. And then I'm gonna copy all of this and I'm gonna leave a space in the middle. And we could just delete this area and we're gonna leave it like this, and we could just add chairs around here. And then let's go back here and add in library stack. So obviously we need this to represent where the books are. So I'm just gonna rotate this like so. And then I'm gonna move it like this and then copy it multiple. So copy and then copy it all together. So something like that. And then I could copy the ones right here. And then obviously we don't need this. Okay, this one looks okay. Maybe we could remove the ones right here. It's too close for the table. Okay, so now let's go back again to the folder and let's add in the server. So as you can see, we have a hub here, a room for this kind of stuff. So let me just add it like so. I'm just gonna move it like that. And then let's go back to the folder. We could add the chairs. So it's just for the general purpose area. We could just add multiple chairs right here like that. And then after that, let's copy this multiple times like this. And then we also have stacking chairs. So here we could just put some stack of chairs like so. And then let's copy this. And then we could just copy also this. This is for the storage area. So what else we could add? Locker room bench. So we have the changing room here. Okay, and then after that, I believe we have lockers as well. I'm just double checking that we have added everything. So for the lockers, a very simple looking lockers. So we need to add them multiple times as well. Let's copy this instead like that. Okay, and then copy like that. And then we need to add it like this right here and right here. And then we could just use the arrow key to move it something like that for spacing. Okay, and then this one, we could use this one as well. I'm gonna copy this for the corridor. So I know this will be a bit of an hassle because we need to add it all throughout, but it's up to you now. For me, I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do to make it faster. So I'm just doing this, and then if this one goes over, I just delete it. And then you could just keep on copying and pasting, and then you could add it all throughout this so that you will provide a visual representation of what you have and what you think. And then here for uh, for 7 to 8, we could insert the chair. This will be the chair table arm under seating. So now we could go back and go to architecture and then click place, and then we could just add it like that. Now we could just do similar addition to our, so we could just do some spacing, and then now we could just copy. And then of course we will have those kind of stuff again. And then we could just copy all this all together. Okay, I think we're good here. Last thing we're gonna add is the dry erase board. So this will be wall base, something like that. It's a wall base, so you need to put it under the wall, and then here as well. You can put 2 or 3 depending on what you want. Okay, so it's up to you to finish that. And then, as you know, you can insert more stuff. Um, let's look for some chairs. So we could add these chairs to this area. So the study area in the library. And then what you could do is you could copy it from here so that you could do multiple. Okay, so you could finish that one as well. And then here you could just keep on adding tables and chairs. This for the teacher and then the guidance as well. Here you could just leave it like that. I'm gonna move it a little bit on this side. And now it looks better. Everything is represented. All the rooms have chairs and tables. The library has all of this information. Even the general purpose area have the folding chairs open and closed. And we even have a basketball court. And that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.